So we're kicking today off in the old town of Lijiang, located here, and then we're going to be riding along the Shangri-la Gorge here and then staying in Deshan, and tomorrow we're going to be crossing the regional border here into Tibet. So yeah, I'm very excited, and this is just a wider overview of the route we're going to be taking. And now that we're heading into Tibet, the towns look completely different. Here, everything feels state planned down to the smallest details. We're at about 3,100 metres on the way to Deshan, I think it's pronounced. Got a lot of bikers here, all going into Tibet. The scenery is unbelievable. Look at some of these shots coming down here. And as we approach the Shangri-La Gorge, with that massive drop to my right is the Yangtze River. And this deteriorated bit of road here was the first sign of the terrible roads to come in Tibet. This below me is the narrowest part of the Yangtze River, the third largest river in the world. We're here. Just making my way up the Shangri-La Gorge. So much traffic. Yeah. At this point I was following one of the other motorcyclists from the group, and we were going up this incredibly long hill here, and it was only after about 20 or even 30 kilometres up this hill and we realised it was just a completely wrong route and had to go all the way back down.
Yeah, they're all good.
Sorry about the mistake again.
It's okay.
But that was a nice little mountain road.
Yeah, no, good road.
Good
Yeah,
practice.
yeah, good road.
So yeah, I think we lost 40k or maybe 50.
Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Out of 8,000, not too bad.
And once we arrived in Deshan, there was this amazing local dancing ceremony to round off the day. So today's a very exciting day because we're entering Tibet. Now Tibet is a very special region in China. There's big security presence. We're going to be going through a lot of like checkpoints, stuff like that. So we're going to ride in convoy for the next part of this trip. So yeah, it's an exciting day. So as you get up in the mountains for about 3,200 meters, they got all these local restaurants. You can sit down, have a nice meal for about £1, £2. Yeah, it's great. We're here at these salt lakes. There is the option to take the horse, but we're walking up instead.
Hello, it's ready. Okay.
No, no.
Oh.
We're at 2,900 meters with the salt baths behind me. What a place. And the valley that we just motorcycled through in the background as well. Okay, we're stuck. There's construction works on the road and we're stuck, and the traffic jam, it's literally like 3 kilometers long now. It's been stuck for about an hour. The first stop in Tibet was at these salt fields, where they have a long kind of 1,000-year history of making this pink Himalayan salt you might have seen. And they do this by using the sun to manually dry out the salt on the beds. Here are the salt production factory with the Himalayan salt.